2003 VW Jetta. Still got the stock converters, still got the stock resonator, and then we took off the muffler, did a muffler delete, and put a brand new tip on it, a little bit smaller, make it look a little bit nicer. They wanted it more tucked in, so we tucked it in for them. There's the muffler delete. Usually a muffler goes right there. It's still got everything else, the resonator and the catalytic converter still stock. Let you guys hear it in a minute. The 2003 stick shift, 5-speed VW GLI. Other than that, it's all bone stock, other than the muffler delete. This is what it sounds like. I think it sounds absolutely nice. This is the old tip that was on it. It was just too big for the opening. So we put him a smaller one. Looks a lot better. Sounds really good. Got some aftermarket wheels on it. Jet black. Beautiful car. About to do a takeoff. That's how it's done.